ó ń bùyà bọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tó fi tóun àtàwọn sàábí ẹ̀. She will never stop. Ẹni tó bá ti kórìíra ọmọlàkejì ẹ̀ tó ti Cruise Nation ṣèjàre tó ti kórìíra ọmọlàkejì ẹ̀ tó ti hate ọmọlàkejì ẹ̀ lọ síwájú ọmọlàkejì ẹ̀ tó bá ń bi nínú, she will never stop. Because nǹkan tó ń ṣe nìyẹn. Ohun tí Ìyábọ̀ dẹ̀ fi dọ̀tá ẹ̀ kò bìlífù pé Fọlá máa débi tó dé léde. Dorcas Adéyínká àbúrò mi àtàtà ìyá wọn nínú Odo Nation òun àti Lizzy lọ́jọ́ ń fà tẹ́lẹ̀ kò rí ọmọ yẹn mú tó ní pé wọn gbọ́dọ̀ ẹ Fọlá tó tún sọ pé tó bá kọ́lé fún ilé tí gbogbo àwọn ará Facebook bá kọ́ ilé yẹn fún Fọlá ìjọba máa gbà tàbí sọ pé ìjọba ló bá wà dá owó àbí ìjọba ló ṣiṣẹ́ sáwọn èèyàn lọ́wọ́ tí gbogbo wa fi sọ tó lóun máa make sure wípé sẹ Fọlá ò nílé lórí ó máa tọrọ jẹ lọ́dọ̀ òun ní sẹ kò sí nǹkan méjì tó fi bú everybody àwọn tó help Fọlá àwọn tó gba Fọlá tira ẹni tó rò pé kò lè pàgọ́ ni Fọlá tó wá kọ́lé alárinrin. Now ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bí bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ because a lot of people get a misconception yẹn. Mo rá àwọn wèrè kan tó sọ story sórí ìwọ tó bá sọ story Fọlá tó gbé sórí péjì ẹ tó ń pa irọ́. Mo rí gẹ̀wèrè kan tó bá máa mọ̀ wípé àjálù tó máa jálù ẹ̀ tó máa jálù àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ táwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ náà máa pín bẹ̀ bó bá bí gba ọmọ sórí gbogbo nǹkan tí Lizzy ṣe fún Fọlá from day one àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ máa rí times 10 yẹn wọ́n wá ní iye wọ́n máa bá lọ ní ikú ló máa já sí fún wọn. Ó dẹ̀ sọ with confidence pé Fọlá ló gbé Lizzy lọ sí Abuja. Ṣé ẹ ya wèrè ní tẹ́ bá ń purọ́ ọmọ orí fídíò yẹn ṣó ya wèrè ni ibo ni Fọlá ti ní connection tó fẹ́ fi gbé Lizzy lọ sí Abuja. Fọlá wey no get person tó jẹ́ pé àwọn Dorcas àtàwọn tíìmù Facebook lọ dúró ti Fọlá tí Lizzy tó ń fún àwọn ọlọ́pàá kan lówó tí Fọlá wá pariwo wípé wọ́n mẹ́sàn òun wọ́n tọwọ́ bò òun dì tó pé inspector tó ní tó ń harass Fọlá. You dare sitting and saying rubbish. Ṣé ẹ mẹ́ǹtì ni? Let me start from the beginning. This is where this case started. Màá play fún yín, màá sáré lọ mú mi, màá padà. Ẹ gbọ́, this is where we understand how the video started, how this issue of Fọlá started. Torí wèrè tó jókòó sórí page ẹ̀ tó ń sọ wípé Fọlá ló gbé Lizzy síta fáwọn blogger show mad ni. Ẹ ya wèrè ni. Are you a blogger? Ìgbà wo ló mọ ọ̀rọ̀ Lizzy àti Fọlá? Àwátà bẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ̀ and I will play you the video tèmi gan ṣe tí mo fi bú Fọlá when Lizzy was manipulating, lying to me that I was like, how is this possible? Until I find out. You open your page, ó sọ nonsense, ṣó fẹ́ forí kó òbí olóbìnrin, ṣó fẹ́ fi ikú oníkú ṣekú ti ẹni. Òní Fọlá ló lọ bá àwọn blogger. Did you know Lizzy paid blogger to come for Fọlá? Tóyìn ṣì wà láyé alámàlà Tóyìn pépérépé ó dà kó wà nínú justice for Mohbad nsìn. Lizzy fún lówó kó fún gbogbo everybody. Èmi ò gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ later ó dà kó Tóyìn send the card sí mi. Torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe lẹ́nu lọ́dọ̀ Lizzy. Àwọn míì tó sanwó fún tó ń bá ṣiṣẹ́ tó fún wọn lówó 200 300. Lizzy was the one who played blogger. Ìyá Kwame ṣì wà láyé náà tí Lizzy transfer fake alert fún gbé Kwame fẹ́ bóun ṣe show tó san 1 million naira tí ìyá yẹn ò rówó tí wọ́n wówó tí Lizzy wá lọ sọ fọ́lọ́pàá wípé Kwame blackmail òun gba 1 million naira lọ́wọ́ òun gbà tọmọ yẹn rí òótọ́. Kí lẹ mọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? I am one of them because èmi ò gbowó lọ́wọ́ mo ní wá tó fi pay me. It's something that I know. These are the things I have evidence for. Ó dẹ̀ jókòó síbẹ̀ olórí burúkú ara ẹ̀ o tí ìrọ́jọ́ ayé tiẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ ń pa irọ́ mọ́ Fọlá pé Fọlá ló sanwó pé Fọlá ló fún àwọn blogger ní go ahead kó máa bú Lizzy. Ó mad ni. Everybody supported Lizzy from day one, even Ìyá Esabod. Kí lórúkọ gẹ́ yẹn náà tó sìn àbí whatever ó ti ṣí èrè. You are a stupid person for coming on that your page and say that kind of a thing. Ó ti mad, ó ti ṣí èrè. You don't lie. Things tó bá mọ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́ ẹ̀ tó mọ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́ ẹ̀ kéèsì táwa bá dé Èkó ta kúrò lÉkòó ta lọ sí Àbújá near headquarters police in Abuja. Are you mad or something? You think this case is just a mere case? Thanks all over social media. You don't know. You came online lying to people. A FOLA. Who is FOLA? We all came for FOLA in the initial stage. We thought FOLA was the villain here. Until we now know that Lizzy is the villain. I am saying it because Lizzy reach out to Silori or FOLA, which I can show you on my phone here. Wait. I'm coming. I will show you one now. Wait. Wait, so just 1 minute. I have not even changed the name. That's what we say. Then I will show you an evidence. Wait. Are you mad? You open your mouth, and all the remaining bloggers are still alive. Lizzy sent this to me. This is chat between me and Lizzy Anjorin. So don't say what you don't know. Only firstborn, you see? Only will only. You can see. You see? Everything is here. If you don't have evidence to back up your claim, don't come out. All in the name of let me show you the first day she reached out to me. Only a karoma. 14 days notice for DNA wanted to send it to you, but I forget. Share Wakpama. Share it. So when we talk, we will back it up with evidence. We don't just open our mouth and talk. Wait, let me see. Which one is this? Is it? Oh, it's not something. If it can download. Is this my voice? You can hear her voice. So when we talk with evidence. We don't just come out and say what we don't know. When I say things, I will back it up. So when you are dealing with me, be very smart. I will not lie, justify. I will not say what I cannot defend in the court of law. And I will not say what I cannot bring out proof. So when you want to talk about this issue of FOLA and Lizzy, forget it. Don't talk about it if you cannot back it up. Or else you will be dragged with it. FOLA never brought Lizzy to Facebook. FOLA went on Gistlover. And I will play it for you now. Let's leave all what me and Lizzy have done. We have not gone there. Look at, these are informations. When I say Lizzy pay bloggers, I have everything. So let's leave it. Let's leave it for as a that. But you coming out saying FOLA never even. FOLA dare not go and meet any blogger on Facebook. The only blogger that were fighting for FOLA are Soji and Dorcas. And Dorcas was fighting on behalf of Soji has issues with Lizzy before. And Soji was the one to be Omo Lizzy Shekpe. Be Omo Emaku. Because they have their issue. Because Lizzy Shekpe for Omo Soji no. Most of you Lizzy Soji Shekpe by. Soji came out and will condemn the act that why to man Omo Emaku. Flori Kuma. Soji was the one. He did the video with his face. And FOLA never sent him to that extent. But Soji was treating Lizzy's case. Lizzy came out to cause Soji's son. Soji paid back. Because when you put that on your page, you did not explain to people that Lizzy lo koko shepe fún ọmọ Soji to na àwọn ọmọ Soji máa kú kí Soji tó wá gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣépè. Àríkẹ́ ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ Lizzy ó tún bọ́ta ó tún ṣépè fún Soji tó gbé àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣépè gidi. So but for every action there is a reaction. Ẹ má wá parọ́ wípé FOLA ló ní kó gbọ́mọ. No, they were having their banter. We were there. We were the one in charge there. Shall understand? So let's leave that aside. Now, we were talking about ìgbàtọ́rọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nígbà tí gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ tí gbogbo ẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ kíníkan. Thank you, sis. Mori message. So let me start from where the issue started. Tí gbogbo yín tí ẹ mọ̀ tó wá purọ́ fún yín, then I will play where Lizzy started her own too. This was Fola the day we will hear Fola voice the first time. Tí gbogbo wa fi surely Lord Sheni, we did not know what was happening then. That Fola was a full housewife. No, sọ fún wa wípé she's just a young girl, ọmọ kékeré, and then she was a full housewife. So she came out to lie. This is it. No, I need the real voice. Tiko mix. Let me search my other WhatsApp. She cried out in pain that Emini Lizzy Anjorin fi ọkọ ẹ̀. Emini Fola, Emini Lizzy Anjorin fi ọkọ ẹ̀. Let me tell you, if somebody that is bigger than me in society try to snatch what belongs to me, I will cry out. She's just a young girl coming up. And Lizzy decided to snatch her husband, and she did not get access to the man again. She sent early service of work. Yes, now only most of Arike ọmọṣẹ́ ilé yìnyẹn ló wá ṣépè fọmọ Lizzy not kọ́kọ́ bu lórí show tó ṣe lọ́sàn pé Sọjí máa fojú sunkún àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ni bọ̀ kò wá tó yìí tí Àríkẹ́ wá ṣe lálẹ́ tó fọwọ́ gbálẹ̀ pé ilẹ̀ ni mo pè Álímì nílẹ̀ jẹ́ gbọ́sọ̀wọ́ Sọjí ìyẹn ló wá trigger Sọjí tó fi gbé ọmọ Lizzy ṣe pé mo ti expatiate yẹn everybody know it pé nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn kìkan ṣe pé Sọjí lọ gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣe pé àwọn Sọjí did it ó wá based on ti Sọjí pé Sọjí gbọ́ ọmọ òun ṣe pé everybody was like no ìwọ ló kọ́kọ́ gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣe pé. So that is it. So mo try láti wá fídíò yẹn ẹni sùúrù máa wá fídíò ibi tí Fọlá tí tó ti lọ bá this lover mo ṣì rí ní one of these days mo fẹ́ lọ sí ọ̀kan wọ́n lò fún case kan. Okay. Kò sí nínú page yìí. If you want to be a blogger, you have to be sensible. A blogger is not that kind of blogging. We don't do that here. Bóyá ẹ̀yin tẹ̀sẹ̀ wà lórí social media ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ no. We don't do that here. Everything we will be saying will be validated with time, date and number ni. Tẹ́ máa rí tẹ́ máa fojú yín rí. Àwọn òṣèré roadside kìíní àmọ́ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe. Mo send ẹ̀ sí ìyá yìí jọ wọ́n bí. So that's why there is no phone I will use. I don't give people my phone. I'd rather buy you another phone because I don't wipe my phone. I'll keep it. Everything I would need inside, it will be there. Though I will not record you because I will not reach your. No, I don't do that. But everything I would need will be there. Where can I get that Fola? We send the CIA. Anyway, check Bobby T. You want to check to fi orin yẹn sí. That was what happened. If I see it, if I go distract, every time I dey play video púpọ̀, we first play a lot of things for me. Oh, the fair play voice yẹn gangan. Ó ní kankan tí mo fẹ́ mú jáde nínú voice kìíní yẹn. Jesus. Ẹni tó bá ní that voice ẹ jù sí mi nísìn please maybe on Facebook ẹ jù sí mi ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ mú kankan jáde nínú ẹ̀ so that kí gbogbo èèyàn lè rí pé ilé yìí kò sí rọ́ńbẹ́ ṣóhun lélẹ́yìn.